I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over some pixel perfect tips. PayPal buttons. There's two different ways you can set up PayPal payments with buttons. The first is to come into Add Element, come into Apps, and then select the official looking PayPal button. And you click to add it to your website, and then you simply come into Edit to set up your payment. So you can choose from Buy Now, Pay Now, Donate, or Subscription. You simply enter your email, enter your currency, the description of your item, the amount you want to charge, how many of the item there is, and the thank you page that users will be directed to after they've completed their payment. You can also select for a smaller button whether to display the credit card images or not. You can also change the language of the button. When you're ready, you just click Confirm. The second way is to set up a standard button with a payment. So again, we come into Add Element, we come into Button, we add a button, we right click, come into Action, Payment, and then we can choose from PayPal or Stripe. So again, you simply need to enter your email, select from Purchase, Donate or Sign, enter the name, description of your product, the desired currency, the amount to be charged, and the thank you redirect. Using the payment button, you can also track click analytics, and you can add HTML to the button if you wish. Then you simply need to click Confirm. So in this video we went over some pixel perfect tips, PayPal buttons.